Welcome to the CEO series. Today I'm hosting Mr. Lars Kramer, the Chief Financial Officer of First Abu Dhabi Bank. FAB has been defining the banking industry in the United Arab Emirates and abroad, and we're going to find out why.
We do see ourselves as the UAE's global bank. Okay, so it is a global outlook that we have. We are already in the world's top 100 banks. By market cap, we're in the world's top 60 banks. We are one of the very few banks in the world that actually run on a AA- rating. If you look at the returns that we're getting, you're effectively getting emerging market returns on a developed market asset quality, a key differentiator, again, that we see even in this whole global banking community. And that's something that we're keen to keep driving going forward. We continuously try to build on is diversifying our businesses, diversifying our revenue streams, and we've done pretty well at that. With the increase in our non-funds income relative to total income, and we're now running at 46%. A few years ago, we started at about 25%, so we've now built quite consistently up to this level of 46%. And our international network that we have, we're now in 20 plus countries and adding all the time. We see this as a driver of new revenues, a key driver of new growth. We are very technology focused. We are very, in terms of the new wave of technology now is clearly AI focused. So we do see ourselves as one of the leaders in terms of using this technology and making it really productive for us. Greater than 16% return, and we're not talking about a number out there in the future. We're talking about a number that we've been able to print pretty consistently. And if you look at this year, we've even gone beyond that. The one thing that we actually upgraded during the year was our loan growth, high single-digit loan growth during the year, and we've upgraded that to low double digits. So again, that's a signal in terms of the momentum in the economy. Foreign ownership has been rising, it's at 25%, and this is really where the external discipline comes in. We issued AT1s last week, and that was a very successful issuance, and this is another way of, in a way, optimizing the capital stack. 3 times oversubscribed, and we came in well under what we were expecting in terms of pricing. We are printing profits that ultimately are sufficient to sort of fund the growth of the machine and to still throw off enough increment in order to then be able to pay dividends. What we're seeing here for the last few years, we've seen a continuous uptick in GDP, and the expectation is that next year we'll get another uptick on this year. So that will, continue the momentum that we've built up.
Thank you for joining me today with Lars Kramer from FAB. There seems to be no stopping the growth momentum of this lender as we keep the stock on our watch list. Stay tuned for more insights from banking and industry leaders on the CEO series.